Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabets. Arabic alphabets we are learning in groups. Today we will discuss group 8. So far we've done 7 groups in 7 lessons. If you not have watched the videos, you may find the link in the description. In group number 1 discuss Alif and Hamza 2 letters. In group number 2 we discuss next 3 letters Ba, Ta and Sa. In group number 3, we discuss the next 3 letters Jim, Ha, and Ho. In group number 4, we discuss next 2 letters Kar and Zal. In group number 5, the next 2 letters Ra, Za. In group number 6, discuss next 2 letters Sin and Shin. And in 7, we discuss two next letters Sod and Zod. And today's group number 8. You can find the link of all these videos in the I button and also in the description. It is important to learn the letters in order because, some letters are confusing. If you know first letter and second what is fasa, and then you can learn the next letter in a good flow. The next two letters in group 8 are Ta and Za. Both are very heavy letters in Arabic. Ta and Za. Actually, let's learn first about how to write it. Ta is just like a straight line, then a longitudinal shape. Let's try again. A straight line, and then a longitudinal shape. Basic shape is the same, but the presence of a dot over the Za makes it different from the Ta. Actually, Ta is confused with another letter which we discussed in group number 2, in which we discussed 3 letters Ba, Ta, and Sa. Ta is confused with letter To. You see, when I'm pronouncing it, even then you can't understand the difference. The difference is To is a heavy letter and Ta is a light letter. The articulation point of both letters is a change and the characteristics also, but the articulation point is the same. Articulation point is the same of the both letters. So they're very similar letters. To, to, ta, ta. Just like equivalent of letter to in English is letter T, but this letter also equivalent of the letter ta which I discussed just now, but with a light sound. But this one here is heavy sound. And for zo, it is letter z, but for letter zo, it is also confused with another letter which we discussed in group number 4, dal and zal. And also we discussed in the letter in group 7 two letters sod and zod. Now the letter zod, this one, and letter za, this one. These two letters are resemblance with letter zo. These three letters are very similar in Arabic. It is important to understand what is the difference. Zal is one of the light letters, but Zo and Zod are heavy letters. Zal is pronounced from the tip of the tongue with the incisor, with the lower side of the incisor. The Zo is also pronounced the same articulation point. Both have the same articulation point. But the articulation point Zod is changed. It is pronounced the side of the tongue. And but za and zo both have the same articulation point, but za is a soft letter and zo is a heavy letter. Zal, zo, bod, zal, zo, bod. This is the difference between them. So, equivalent of letter zo in English is the z, but should be very emphasis and heavy. Zo, zo, like this. And the sound phonics of ta is written T and the is also whistle, but it doesn't make a whistle. It's important. Important. It does not make a whistle. Otherwise, if you make a whistle, you make a fuse with za. Za. Za have a very thin sound. Za have a heavy sound. Za have a heavy sound. Both have the same equivalent in English, but the light sound, heavy sound, emphasis sound should make it different. Let's move to the education point. The articulation point of to is the tip of the tongue. The tip of the tongue touches to the gum lines of upper two incisor. Gum line upper two incisor. To with a heavy sound. For the, it is again the tip of the tongue. It touches the lower side of upper two incisor. Let me show in another angle. If it is a tongue inside your mouth, and here your two upper two incisor, when tip of the tongue touch the gum line, the thaw is pronounced. Thaw. And when the tip of the tongue touch the lower side of the two incisor, raw is pronounced. This is the difference you see in Arabic. The artificial points are very much important. Very little difference make a new letter, and new letter may create new words. And the meaning of the change quite change if we mix up the letters. For this, you have to watch my another videos, similar sounds in Arabic, similar sound of Arabic alphabet. Okay, here we discuss the artificial point of ta and zo, and discuss the difference of fa with ta sound and zo with zal and bod. It is enough for today. If you want to learn Arabic, you must subscribe my channel and also visit my site. Assalamu alaikum.